Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, let's count number 16. Hi, I am number 16. 1 comes first and then 6 comes next. 1 10 and 6 ones make 16. Now look at the picture, count and say aloud 16 snowmen. Now let's have a little activity. Join all ones with 6's to make 16. Now trace number 16. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.